Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something super exciting. It's the Kodak Mini 2 Retro Instant Photo Printer. This little gadget lets you print your photos on the go in a retro style Polaroid size print, but with the help of your phone. So let's dive into the unboxing and I'll show you how exactly to use this printer. You can see we've got the printer and two extra cartridges which contains 30 sheets each of printable photos. Let's first unbox the photo printer. We'll keep these cartridges aside for a while. So first is the main box which contains the printer. So in the box first you'll find the printer itself. It's a very good looking portable printer, as you can see. On the one side we get the power on button, the power LED indicators and the Bluetooth indicator. On the other end we have an entrance for the cartridges. Let's keep this aside for a while. In the box we have a user guide, some warranty documentation, some more documents, and we get a USB cable. This cable is micro USB, so no type C on this. So we've got the micro USB port for charging on this side, and there is a charging indicator as well, along with a reset switch. Now let's get to the setup. It's super easy to set up for the first time. So the Mini Retro already comes in loaded with a cartridge which contains 8 print papers. So you don't have to think about loading a new cartridge for the first time. First of all, be sure to charge your Mini 2 Retro to 100% before you use it for the first time. You can go ahead on the Play Store and install the Kodak Photo Printer app. Once you have it installed, you will now need to turn on the printer. For that, you need to press the power button once and the lights would light up. So when you open up the app, you'll first need to connect to the printer. For that, this will show you a pop-up to connect to this device. Just click on Kodak Instant B6AB. It will ask you if you want to pair it. Just allow. Now you can see that the Kodak Mini 2 Retro printer has connected to your phone. So next up is printing any photo. So it's as easy as selecting any photo from a gallery and clicking on edit and print. Let's say I want to print one of these photos. Now here I have the option to edit this photo, or I can print it as it looks like on the screen. You can go ahead and add borders to the image. You can have different styles of borders as well. Let's say I like this border type. So you can also go and edit and change the properties if you want to crop this image or anything, but I feel it's good as it is. So the next step would be printing this. So you can see you have an option to set the number of copies here, so you can change it to 1 2 3, as many as you want. I just need one print, so I've added this border and now I would like to print my photo. I'll just check. You can click on this Bluetooth icon anytime just to check if the printer is connected to your device or not. Right now I can see B6AB, the Kodak Instant Mini 2 Retro printer, and it's showing me the battery percentage as well. So I can just go ahead and press print. It will start the printing process. So steps have been completed. It says print completed. We can go ahead and remove our print from the printer now. Yeah, here's the actual result of the print. You can just cut this part off. This is the actual photo and this is the print. The print is of very high quality and it's laminated as well, so you can't easily damage the print. And that's how you print any photo using the Kodak instant photo printer.